Hello all, this is Dr. Deepali Meher. Today we are going to see MCQs for the third chapter from Database Technology subject Data Model Detailing. Let us start. Aggregates are created when data is dash accessed together. Options are A. Randomly, B. Less frequently, C. Commonly, D. Never. And the correct option is option C. Commonly. Aggregates are created when data is commonly accessed together. Next question is, when data contains many relationships, dash are used. Options are A. Relational databases, B. NoSQL databases, C. Object-oriented databases, D. B and C both. Correct option is option A. Relational databases. When data contains many relationships, relational databases are used. Next question is, in graph databases, vertices are called as dash. Options are A. Edges, B. Relationships, C. Nodes, D. Matrices. Correct option is option C. Nodes. In graph databases, vertices are called as nodes. Next question is, dash type of graph databases stores Java objects which are subclasses of its built-in types as nodes and edges. Options are infinite, finite, NoSQL, FlogDB. Correct option is option A. Infinite. Infinite type of graph databases stores Java objects which are subclasses of its built-in types as nodes and edges. Next question is, dash type of graph databases allows user to attach Java objects as properties to nodes and edges in a schemaless fashion. Options are A. Infinite, B. FlogDB, C. Neo4j and D. Finite. Correct option is option C. Neo4j. Neo4j type of graph databases allows user to attach Java objects as properties to nodes and edges in a schemaless fashion. Next question is, NoSQL databases are dash A. Schema oriented, B. Schema following, C. Schemaless, D. Schema succeeding. And the correct option is option C. Schemaless. NoSQL databases are schemaless. Next question is, dash data is called non-uniform data. A. Data where each record has a same set of fields. B. Data where each record has a different set of fields. C. Data where each record has an equal set of fields. D. Data where each record has no set of fields. And the correct option is option B. That is, data where each record has different set of fields is called as non-uniform data. Next question is, dash is a set of assumptions about the data structure in the code that manipulates the data. Options are A. Explicit schema, B. Schema over schema, C. Implicit schema and D. Metadata schema. Correct option is option C. Implicit schema. Implicit schema is a set of assumptions about the data structure in the code that manipulates the data. Next question is, materialized views are effective for data that is heavily but can stand being somewhat stale. And the options are write, read, both read and write, only write. And the correct option is option B, read. Materialized views are effective for data that is read heavily but can stand being somewhat stale. Next question is, dash are the two approaches used to build materialized views. Eager approach and application database approach. B. Eager approach and client database approach. C. Eager approach and distributed database approach. D. Eager approach and centralized database approach. Correct option is option A. Eager approach and application database approach are the two approaches used to build materialized views. Next question is, materialized views can be used within the dash aggregate. A. Same, B. Different, C. Outside, D. Other. And the correct option is option A. Same. Materialized views can be used within the same aggregate. Next question is, which of the following is the reason behind graph databases are advantageous over relational databases? And the options are A. Graph databases shift most of the work of navigating relationships from query time to insert time. B. Graph databases does not shift most of the work of navigating relationships from query time to insert time. C. Graph databases shift few of the work of navigating relationships from query time to insert time. Graph databases shift most of the work of navigating relationships from transaction time to insert time. And the correct option is option A. Graph databases shift most of the work of navigating relationships from query time to insert time. That's why graph databases are advantageous over relational databases. Thank you, dear students. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel. In the next video, we are going for the next chapter MCQs. Thank you.